Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vloggy vlog. I literally just take up the camera and start record when I reach my grandfather. I could have recorded the whole journey, but never did think about it. But so I know I love giving the little Sunday vloggy vlog to make you see what I'm up to. So I'm my grandfather right now, me, Jay, so the kids are mommy, and this catch me eye. It's like my grandfather literally forget about the pepper tree here. So, may I pick them off? A whole heap of pepper this, you know? And I know so them hot. Because one burst, I may tell you, smells so good. One Scotch bonnet. Like him not remember about it. Mommy, give me one container to put them pepper here now. I don't know what it is, a chocho. I'm not even ask you, because I don't know. The good old chocho. And I don't know if you can see over here, so I'm show you one baby one. Passion fruit. Who remember passion fruit? Passion fruit. Baby, ever drink passion fruit juice?
Very well.
Oh, thanks. My grandfather loved KFC. So we stop and get him KFC. Okay, you know when you...
Where you get it from?
But him hardly eat it, because you see him their country, you know, and him old. Daily dose of Iandra. Not even daily, Sunday dose. Sunday dose of Iandra. And...
Oh, baby.
Raisy bays. I said, I not even stop using my toothbrush good. I not even stop using it good. Not even 3 hours.
What's the one? Alright.
Give me my you can't love my toothbrush them alone, but I use them for my edge.
Hey, what was that?
My edges.
You have edge?
Yeah, my baby ear. One ear big. Thank you, King. Not just a part of my life. Sometimes you need to do it. Your love reaches right on deep within. As a dream will always be there with you on me. My heart alone is where you get Dolly from?
Yes, sir.
Let me see a Dolly.
Uncle
Yeah, me keep the blue bead them.
Uncle Trace.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep the blue bead them. I'm not to see them.
Oh, where you get that pill something there from, mommy?
I joke.
I buy so I can pencil out it, put it medication in so that it's easy to take them.
Wow, this is a good idea, guys. If you not have like grandparents, mommy, father, I take medication, I can buy this. You like it, grandfather?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. So I take one Sunday, one Monday, one Tuesday, one Wednesday, one Thursday, one Friday, one Saturday.
Mm-hmm. And we're pink side though.
Over here, so I take them here every night. So you know, say they were a night one.
Oh, so pink a night and blue a day.
Yes.
Jason, you remember when we did have the mint here up at the house where we did live? Up at Moko? Guys, this is my favorite mint. I'm going to see if I can carry one. No, I'm going to see if grandfather can catch piece to me. Guys, one favorite mint. You have the big leaf, you have this. There are 3 types of mint or 2. And it smells so good. The water touch it and it smells good. And the chocha here. Ooh. Guys, them good? Or some chocha have the color here. But it's beautiful. That's the chocha tree, did look. It's actually a vine. Guys, who did know that? You see how I run like yam? No. That means that chocha don't have no tree. Chocha vine. I never know. Guys, may I make sense? Wanna tell me?
I think I rain this.
So you got smell rain?
Yeah, smell different from rain. I joke, but it's a BS.
No. Bro. That's not funny. I'm not going back rain at Drew. The view pretty though. So beautiful. Remember them days, yeah?
Which day is that?
When we don't live in Moko and we are just a look out. Nothing I'm going for where we just a look.
What in time we did in a coma?
Sometimes I have to really look back and laugh and just give God thanks. Because remember when we live up at Moko up here, nothing I'm going for we in a man. I mean I just a look out for the bird them. Well, it you know, comment and tell me if Jesse never look like him be rude and him little. You never innocent. You didn't want Jidal. Stop smelling now. Yeah guys, this is what we are doing today Sunday. We're not there warm. No food, no cook. No food, no cook. We got KFC, got other 1 3-piece. For grandfather. I don't know, me some would do and blend up later, babe. Peanut and blend up. Guys, just give me something to drink. Keep the food. Give me my soursop, my carrot juice, and I like milk. If you're gonna make me soursop juice, please don't put no milk in there. If you're gonna make me carrot juice, don't give me no milk. Put lime and ginger, please. But yeah, this is what we're depend for Sunday. Mommy are going to deal with grandfather. And I start out him pill them. And I start out him food stuff them I should carry up. And stuff. Raina, come. And them something I'm loving her. I love country life. Babe, run. Run, babe. Run. The dog was like, oh, babe, talk your mind. Talk your mind. You're your own man. I need my talk.
Are we the one? Are we the one there?
Oh. No, me?
Are you?
Yes. I'm the grandfather. You never know, see me? So you think, oh, you wonder how it was with your phone? When you see my grandfather sweet? Sweet and nice. One kiss for my jaw. Be careful. I rain that, you know? Jesse, you want to chance it? Come back. I rain not fall. It just don't like it to come.
I go away.
Oh, it a go away.
Oh, no, come.
Guys, this year I forgot you when I live a country, you know.
Come.
You have to test if rain and go or come. No, me not come. The dog get little wussy. No. Mommy. Watch out. What then?
Most of them used to play a fetch.
Then train him.
Watch my bite up his tail.
And that's really quiet, I'm sure.
Watch out. Then.
Here are the hot medals. Yeah. Here are the hot medals.
Okay. Baby, look like I get few goodies though over there.
Yeah, come back country and come back with nothing.
It mint smell good enough.
Never got country and go back down with your
Unless I fried country, I go.
Guys, don't drop. Stay.
Yeah, mama water.
No. Stay strong. Alright guys, so for the event, we're depend where we are going. Because it's raining, well it cool down now. I don't know the whole curfew thing go. And we have to make it home back before curfew because we're go drop off mommy them and then we are go. Yes baby? You can't come round.
Police got my account.
Yeah, good girl there now. So yeah, mommy grandfather how much? So everybody will go ask. Let me just ask my mother because me really don't know.
76.
76? 76 look really good.
My ear, you know? My ear and talk like you want to take off me.
Yeah, man. So guys, remember myself and pick up a camera have to be something important. So we stop at one corner shop, Jason friend shop. And me looking at the shop and I say moo. Who remember a biscuit when you moo? Cause Jason don't know moo. Babe, how you feeling no moo?
Never leave that when I'm younger. Remember?
So, I order water and moo because I know moo can be sweet. So I'm gonna make Jason
I never saw some black biscuit with white in the middle.
No. You don't know moo. Me and my mother know moo, but Jason I know moo, so I'm gonna make them try it. Poke here. You know moo?
No.
You're young still.
I'm young.
Them young man, they young.
I don't know moo.
Everybody know moo.
We don't know how we move.
Not at all.
Three
Three.
moo. Three moos.
Next we're done it. Oh, one we're done in there.
Wait, I want the original moo.
Black with white in there.
No.
No, they never used to make move.
What is?
No,
Not
what
the
are
moo then,
I'm
that.
not
You don't know this a moo ya? Oh. Moo ya. Yes.
Yo, enough memory this bring back now.
Oh. Oh, no, what is?
Yo, me see that biscuit there every day, me there, Lennon.
Yeah, it's already.
Every day.
Enough fun
On my
again.
phone, let me just take a picture of you. Where your phone? Oh, that way. Just take a picture of Lennon.
So this guys, oh no, Poco no know you?
Yo, every day me say this. I'm a savior this.
No, I'm texting because they never text it. So guys, growing up, this is how we eat enough moo. Mommy, moo and duplex, chicky moo duplex. That's my favorite growing up. I never used to like Shirley. I know I grew up on like Shirley. I used to love digestive. Can't a long time. It smells so good. Vroom.
What you say? No, sir.
Vroom vroom. Vroom.
Let the man see. Come. Let the man see.
That's not regular biscuit to me. Not original more when I love it. Hey, mommy.
Yo, look, let's let me know how you go.